Guys, good morning. I'm back again, Star Packing Moto Vlogs. King Voorhees nga pala. So ayun, it's been a while bago ako nakagawa ulit ng video. Main reason is because I'm spending time with my family kasi. So they just came back dito. So but anyway, on top of that naman, may mga things pa rin ako na ginawa. I've been busy for a while. So may mga na-monitor ako sa YouTube channel ko na some certain changes. I-discuss ko yan in detail later. Okay? And then, maliban doon, may mga ginawa rin akong sobrang few modifications kay Pyro. Sobrang maliliit na detail lang. And then, isi-share ko yan later kasi pwede nyo rin magawa sa mga motor ninyo. Okay? And then, I'll discuss as well yung mga pros and cons ng ganitong klase ng motorcycle. I-discuss ko kasi kung anong klaseng motor ang meron ako. Para na rin for the benefit of those folks or ng mga riders na gustong mag-try ng ganitong klase ng motorcycle. Okay? I-discuss ko yung pros and cons. Pero, may mga na-receive kasi akong mga feedback about this kind of motorcycles. Halo-halo halo-halo. May positive, may negative. But I would like to address yung mga negative na feedback nila. Na may mga feedback kasi na parang presumptions lang, and may mga feedback na hindi naman sila nagkaroon ng ganitong klaseng motorcycle. Parang nakukuha lang nila from hearsay, from gossips. And although hindi pa nila natatry. Kasi ako, I'm very much satisfied sa performance ng motor ko. Okay? So, nasa pag-aalaga lang talaga yan. Pag-maintain ng motor. Okay? So anyway, I'll discuss more later. This is just for the introduction para kasi it's been a while medyo ilang araw din since nung last upload ko ng video. Pero yun lang naman, wala naman akong ibang i-address. See you guys later. Okay, so again, ang mantra natin, it's never too late. If you want to start, then start now, not tomorrow. Yun lang naman mga ka-starter. So, booyah. See you later. Thank you.